So today we're going to be looking at the DataVac. This is pretty much a leaf blower, but for electronics, like a duster. I bought this because I have a 10-year-old computer that's never been cleaned, and it's really slow right now, as you can see in my last video. I want to see if dusting it can improve the performance, so we'll be doing that today. And here we have the DataVac itself. It's actually pretty heavy. You can see that it's all steel, pretty well built, and it doesn't look like it's gonna fall apart. So the DataVac, I'm just gonna read the product description. This is the last can of air you'll ever have to buy. All steel and built to last, the DataVac electric duster is safer and more cost efficient than the expensive throwaway canned air. It is the permanent, always ready to use solution to keep your electronics running at peak efficiency. Plus, using electric power eliminates the need for dangerous, environmentally dangerous aerosol cans. Condensation free, the DataVac electric duster blows clean, dry, filtered air without dangerous propellants, and is safe for all electronic equipment including laptops, printers, cameras, CPUs, and the incredible powerful 500-watt motor blasts off dust, dirt, debris to keep expensive equipment thoroughly clean and running at peak efficiency. Best of all, it comes with 6 attachments, including a micro cleaner tool and a 5-year motor warranty. So the DataVac comes with a micro cleaning tool along with 6 attachments, and it's kind of like a vacuum cleaner. So each part has a specific purpose. It's for cleaning large surfaces, small surfaces, in between cracks and stuff like that. Again, this is my really old computer. It's actually about 10 years old. It takes way too long to boot up. It takes about 2 minutes just to start Windows and another maybe 2 minutes just to start a Chrome web page, and that's just not going to do it in 2020. Here you can actually see how dusty it is, from the motherboard to the fans to the CPU cooler, graphics card, even just the floor of the case. All the wires is completely dusty. So let's turn this thing on and start blowing away. So this is actually really fun. Just being able to turn it on and see all the dust go away, just fly out of the case. It's actually a lot of fun, just like kind of like vacuuming for the first time, really. So again, just blowing all that wind into the fans. You can see all the fans spin, all the dust coming out. A lot of dust in the heat sinks, in between all the cracks in the RAM, just in between the GPU as well. There's a fan in there right underneath. Floor of the basement, there's the whole case, all the wires, even the power supply, really dirty. Unfortunately, I was unable to give any real performance upgrade to my computer. I do recommend this tool for any tech enthusiast or photographer, as it is a great use for just cleaning the products, and you don't need to buy another can of air again. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.